Hello everyone, it's ZoneMK and today we're having a brand new iPhone 14 Pro here. But first things first, we need to keep this beautiful piece of design and tech safe from accidental drops or hits or whatever might happen in life. So we have here a screen protector and protective case from PanzerGlass, a really quality brand that I have had with earlier iPhones as well, and we'll do unboxing on both and do installation and test what they feel like, and at the end we'll see what this iPhone looks like. And by the way, there will be a review video of this iPhone 14 Pro coming up very soon, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so you won't miss that and other interesting content as well. Now, we'll start with the PanzerGlass screen protector. Let's open it up. And inside the carton box we'll find a cleaning set and the screen protector itself. Now bring in the phone. And I recommend when getting a new phone, have a screen protector ready and waiting, so when you unbox the phone, just place the screen protector right away when the phone screen is without any fingerprints, skin oil, dust particles or even scratches. So let's open the cleaning set. We'll find dust remover sticker, wet wipe and drying cloth. As this iPhone is just opened from the box, with minimal usage, there's really not much to clean, but we'll do it anyway just to make sure. First with wet wipe. And then we wipe it dry and check that there's no dust particles or anything left before installing the screen protector. Oh, I still have the power on, with that welcome screen showing. Hello! What this package doesn't include is an adapter for easier and guaranteed positioning. Now you'll just need to try to position it carefully in the right position. First remove the protector from the back side. Then we carefully position it in place. And one firm push with finger to the other end. Some wider plastic or carton piece would be better with this one. Yeah, small bubbles, but we'll just squeeze them away. There. And it seems that we got it right in the correct place. Good. And then we can take the other protector off. And now it's good time to smash that like button. And let's continue. Next, we have the PanzerGlass protective case. This is Clear Case Black Edition, which has black rubber surrounding with clear backside, so the color on your phone is not hidden. Let's open it up. And here it is. There's a PanzerGlass logo on the side. As the iPhone 14 Pro has a huge camera bump, we see rubber surrounding on that area. And also in the corners you'll see some extra material, so your phone won't be wobbling when you leave it on the desk. The rubber feels grippy and comfortable to hold. It's also antibacterial. Let's take off the back protector. Oops. And we'll snap the phone in. It's having a tight fit. It really snaps in. It won't come off that easy. And yeah, there it is. And still showing the color of your phone. This one is having that new deep purple color that came for this year's iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. And feels really good when holding it, and secure feeling definitely. I hope today's video was useful. Don't forget that upcoming review of the iPhone 14 Pro and other videos as well. And let me know in the comments what is your iPhone protection, or if you have any comments or questions. I'll try to answer all. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.